Yo, we're starting off with earn by time today. Current rate is $17.50 an hour, and our first order is going to be a McDonald's. This one is going 5 miles.
Good morning. Will you be using our mobile app today?
Delivery order for you now. Thank you. Total for that order was $8 and change. Not a bad start. I don't even know how long I've been sitting here, but it's been way too long. Finally got an order though. This one is Starbucks going 4 miles. Thank you. Had to wait? Check. One single drink? Check. Handed to me? Check. Instructions say hand it to this other person that is not the person that ordered? Check. This order is already looking amazing. I just had a drop off for a from Michael.
Oh my gosh. Thank you.
And a no tip. Check. Now that is the ideal order. Just gotta seize the bagel order. This one is going 7 miles.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I think they just gave me whatever order's being made right now.
No, I have it right here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You as well. I don't think I mentioned how much that other order was, by the way. It was $5 and change. Another no tip. Nice, nice. Total for that one was $6 and change. Not even $1 per mile. Been about another 10 to 15 minutes, but finally got the next order. This is Jack in the Box, $8 going 5.5 miles.
Have a good day.
You as well. Next up, we've got a 7-Eleven pickup. This one is $6 and change going 1 mile.
And it was like pump.
Hello. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I actually forgot to pause DoorDash there, and I didn't get an order that whole time, so you can tell it's pretty slow. Just got a shop and deliver for Safeway. $20 going 9 miles, 4 items.
Placing them in the bagging area.
Just got the next order. This is a Jack in the Box, $11 going 5.5 miles. I literally stopped recording like 10 seconds ago, but they gave me an add-on order. This is Angels, an extra $7 going 2.5 miles.
Maybe when I go to we're gonna put another thing.
Okay. Thank you. Not really sure how we're gonna do this, because I'm pretty sure the other order has drinks on it too. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next order up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is $9, going 5 miles. Thank you. Thank you. Got the next order lined up right after this. It's going to be a shop and deliver for Target. $12, going 4 miles, 6 items. Excuse me.
Graham crackers.
Next order is a Wendy's. This one is going 2.5 miles. Is that a scale? Why do you have to weigh them?
They weigh the food.
Why is that?
So that means the customers got everything. Thank you.
Total for that order was just under $8. Just got the next order. This is a Gravity Coffee going 7.5 miles. I am the 6th car here, so this is gonna be a while. This whole order is gonna take forever.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. That is 15 minutes past the estimated pickup time. I literally made more money picking up coins off the street than from what they tipped me. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $12. Current time is 10:22. Total, we are at 1:16. That is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.